Good morning, students. This is Karthik, Department of Chemistry from Mount Zion Matriculation Higher Secondary School. Today we are going to learn new topic, shape of atomic orbital. Before we enter the lesson, first recall what already learned in the previous class. Okay, what did you learn in the already class? The first one is Schrodinger wave equation, the time independent Schrodinger wave equation, H cap psi equal to E psi. What is H cap? Hamiltonian operator. What is psi? It's a wave function. E, what is E? It's a total energy. The next one, tau squared psi divided by tau x squared plus tau squared psi divided by tau y squared plus tau squared psi divided by tau z squared plus 8 pi squared m divided by h squared multiple with e minus v psi equal to 0. This equation is called a Schrodinger wave equation. This is Schrodinger equation. This is Schrodinger wave equation. This is also independent of time. So இது ரெண்டுமே டைம் பேஸ் பண்ணி கிடையாது. So that is a independent of time. This is also independent of time. The next one, quantum number. Quantum number simply represent address of electron. Address means position, energy, and then spin. So the quantum number explains the position of electron, energy of electron, and spinning of electron. The first one, there is the 4 types of quantum numbers. One is the principal quantum number, represent the letter n. So what is principal quantum number? It's mainly describe the energy level. The second one, azimuthal quantum number, it is represent the letter L. It describes the shape of orbital. Third one, magnetic, represent the symbol M. It describes orientation. Orientation means direction. The final one, spin quantum number, represent the symbol S, is the direction of spin. So the principal quantum number, the maximum number of electron that can be accommodated in the given cell is formula 2n squared formula. And then azimuthal quantum number formula, this is azimuthal quantum number based on the principal quantum number n minus 1, and then magnetic quantum number based on the principal quantum number and the azimuthal quantum number. The formula is minus L2 plus L through 0. And then spin quantum number, there is the two possible value. One is the plus half, another one is the minus half. Plus half is the clockwise direction. This is anti-clockwise direction. How many orbitals are possible for n equal to 4? This is the question. The answer, n equal to 4. What is the L value? What is the possible value? 0, 1, 2 and 3. For the subcell, 0 is yes, 1 equal to P, 2 equal to D and then 3 equal to F orbital. So L equal to 0. Then what is the M value? M value also 0. So that is the only one possible 4 yes. The 4 from the n equal to 4, that is the 4. L equal to 0. L equal to 0 means S orbital. So only one 4s orbital. L equal to 1. M equal to, that is the 3 possible value, minus 1, 0, plus 1. What is the formula? Minus L2 plus L through 0. So that is the 3 possible orientation, 3 possible 4p orbital. L equal to 2. What is the M value? That is a possible. That is the M value minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1 and plus 2. How many orbitals? So 5 orbitals, 5 4d orbital. So L equal to 3, M equal to minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. How many orbital? 7 4f orbital. So the overall equal to 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 15 plus 1, 16 orbital. So the question is, how many possible orbital? The 16 possible orbital. The next question, each of the following gives a sub-level designation. The allowable M value and the number of orbital. N equal to 4, L equal to 2. The second one, N equal to 5, L equal to 3. The third one, N equal to 7, L equal to 0. The question, sub-level designation, the allowable M value and the number of orbital. N value, L value, sub-energy level, M value and number of orbitals. Yes, what is the first one? N value 4, L value 2. Sub-energy level is depending upon the azimuthal quantum number. L equal to 2 means d orbital. N equal to 4 means 4d orbital. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1 and plus 2. So how many orbital? 5 4d orbital. The second one, N equal to 5 and then L equal to 3. So L equal to 3 mean F orbital, N equal to 5 mean 5f orbital. What is the M value? Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. So 7 4s orbital. N equal to 7, L equal to 0. L equal to 0 means s orbital, N equal to 7 means 7s orbital. L equal to 0 means there is no m value, there is the m value also 0, so only one 7s orbital. The last question. Now, which energy level does not have p orbital? So the question is, which energy level does not have a p orbital? In the energy level la p orbital illa. So the answer, third question, k shell or first energy level does not have a p orbital. So now we are going to learn the new topic, shape of atomic orbital. The solution to the Schrödinger wave equation gives the permitted energy value is called a eigenvalue. Something is a energy, and the wave function means psi. The psi is corresponding to the eigenvalue. So எதை பேஸ் பண்ணிருக்கும்? psiங்கிறது it is based on the eigenvalue, that is called the atomic orbital. The solution psi, the Schrödinger wave equation for the one electron system. One electron system means it's like a hydrogen atom. It can be represent the following: the spherical polar coordinates. Spherical polar coordinates means r, theta and pi. So see, axis, x axis, this is y axis, this is z axis. So this is imaginary, this is like a nucleus, this is the distance from the nucleus, it's represent r, that is the radius. So r represent the distance from the nucleus, the probability of electron from the nucleus. So the r, it is represent the distance, and theta, the angle theta, and this is the pi. So the theta and pi describe the direction. So theta and pi, it's describe the direction of the orbital that occupy, that the electron may occupy. Yes, what is the, I already told you, the r is the radial wave function, and then pi and the theta and pi are called a angular wave function. This is one more question may comes. So the theta and pi is the angular wave function. What is r? R is the radial wave function. Psi itself has no physical meaning. Yes, because of the reason psi is the amplitude. Amplitude is nothing but, so electrons வந்து jump பண்றது. So இது தான் amplitude. So எவ்வளோ and then jump ஆகுது. So இதான் வந்து என்னது அப்படின்னா amplitude. So there is no physical meaning. Amplitudeக்கு என்ன கிடையாது அப்படின்னா there is no physical meaning. But the square of the wave function lambda squared is the probability of finding electron within the given volume of the space. That is electron maximum இருக்கிறதுக்கான probability இது psi squared. Psi க்கு there is no meaning, physical meaning. That is the amplitude. Amplitude ங்கிறது the electron revolve around the nucleus like a wave. So waves எப்படி பண்ணும் அப்படின்னா jump பண்ணி electrons வந்து and then அந்த orbitல வந்து nucleus சுத்தி round பண்ணும். So அதுக்குன்னு ஸ்பெசிபிக்கான பிசிக்கல் மீனிங் கிடையாது. பட் psi ஸ்கொயர், psi ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணும்போது it is the probability of finding electron. So electron possibilities எந்த ரீஜியன்ல மேக்ஸிமம் இருக்குங்கிறத எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்றது psi squared. So let us analyze how the psi squared varies with the distance from the nucleus and the direction from the nucleus. So actually psi is the polar coordinate r, theta and pi equal to r. That is, what is this? R is the radial wave function multiple with angular wave function. Angular wave function means f of theta and g of pi. Actually psi means, psi is the, what is psi? Psi is the atomic orbital or a wave function. So wave function psi equal to the product of radial wave function and angular wave function. So now we consider the single electrons of hydrogen atom. Single electron system is like a hydrogen atom. Grounded state, which the quantum numbers n equal to 1 and then L equal to 0. Already know that the azimuthal quantum number L equal to 0 means s orbital. So n equal to 1 means 1s orbital. It occupies 1s orbital. So now we are going to draw the graph between r squared. What is r? R is the radial wave functions versus a radius. Yes, this is the density, that is the radial wave function, that means the density of electron. This is the density of electron. What is r? R is the distance from the nucleus. Yeah, okay. See the graph. This is the electron density. This is the electron density. This is the distance from the nucleus. So we are imaginary. This is like a nucleus. The 0 point as a nucleus, imaginary. This is the distance from the nucleus. So the graph explains the distance between the electron and the nucleus decreases. So the distance between the electron and the nucleus decreases. The probability of finding electron is increases. So distance வந்து ரொம்ப மினிமமா இருந்துச்சுன்னா probability density is maximum. So இங்க வந்து அதிகமா electrons வந்து maximum we can see. So இது already explain பண்ணியாச்சு. So from the graph, so from the distance between the electron and the nucleus is decreases. The probability of finding electrons வந்து, so அந்த கிராஃப்ல பார்த்தோம், இந்த கிராஃப் வந்து r squared, இது radius. So நமக்கு வந்து இது வந்து it's like a imaginary, it's like a nucleus. So the electron from the nucleus decreases. Electron வந்து nucleusல இருந்து ரொம்ப கம்மியான டிஸ்டன்ஸ்ல இருந்துச்சுன்னா the probability of finding electron is maximum. At the point r equal to 0, so on the point r equal to 0, 0 na this is 0, 5, 10, 15. So in the point la probability is maximum. So maximum value nearest to the nucleus. Maximum value எங்க இருக்கும் அப்படின்னா nearest to the nucleus. So probability of finding electron in the given spherical shell around the nucleus. This 2 point is considered as a 2D shell. 2D is poster model. Now we are going to see the 3D shell. 3D. So 3D means we can see all the part of the object. For object oda ella part ayum nama vandu we can see. For example, like a ball, pen, and then chalk. இதெல்லாம் ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிளா எடுத்துக்கலாம். chalk எல்லா பொசிஷனையும் நம்ம வந்து ரவுண்ட் பண்ணி பார்க்கலாம். பால் எடுத்துக்கங்க, பாலோட எல்லா பார்ட்டையும் நம்ம that means சுத்தி நம்ம வந்து பார்க்கலாம். நெக்ஸ்ட் நம்ம கால்குலேட் பண்ண போறது இந்த டோட்டல் வால்யூம்ல maximum probability finding electrons calculate பண்ண போறோம். This is we are consider the volume bounded by the two sphere of radius r and r plus r. Actually the first radius r. This is r. For example, ஒரு football or a volleyball without air. Without air னா நமக்கு வந்து பால் வந்து கொஞ்சம் ஷேப் கம்மியா இருக்கும். அந்த first position is the radius r. And then air fill பண்றோம். We are going to fill the air. Air filling போது the volume increases. So volume increases ங்கிறது first விட second one வந்து கொஞ்சம் shape வந்து change ஆயிருக்கும். இந்த shape change ஆயிருக்கிறது வந்து and then dr. The total volume பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா r plus dr எவ்வளவு changes ஆயிருக்கு அப்படின்னா r plus dr changes ஆயிருக்கு. So the question வந்து and then we are going to find the probability of finding electron in the total volume of the sphere. So in the total volume of the sphere la probability of finding electrons பார்க்க போறோம். எவ்வளவு electrons வந்து இந்த total volume ல இருக்கு அப்படின்னு find out பண்ண போறோம். The first one dv divided by dr. What is dv? dv is the change in volume with respect of radius. So radius increase ஆகும்போது yes first radius first sphere and then increase the radius, the volume also increases. That means the change in volume with respect of radius. Radius increase ஆகும்போது volume also increases. What is the volume of the sphere? V equal to 4 pi 3 pi r cube. We are going to differentiate the volume. So the dv divided by dr equal to 4 pi 3 pi. This is the constant. So only இத மட்டும் தான் நம்ம differentiate பண்ண முடியும். r cube differentiate பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா 3 into r squared. So dv equal to cross multiple 4 pi 3 pi 3 into r squared into dr. So 3 cancel ஆகும். So dv equal to 4 pi r squared into dr. Next phi squared ஆல and then equal க்கு அந்த சைடு இந்த சைடு மல்டிபிள் பண்ணும்போது it become a phi squared dv equal to 4 pi r squared phi squared into 4 pi r squared psi squared multiple with dr. What is psi squared? The probability density. Psi squared means density at a distance from the nucleus. So next we are going to draw the graph between 4 pi r squared multiple with psi squared and r. What is r? R is the radius. What is 4 pi r squared? Pi squared is the probability density of electron. So what is 4 pi r square pi psi squared equal to? The probability density. So from the above the gap, the maximum probability occurs at the distance of 0.52 angstrom from the nucleus. This equal to the Bohr radius. Actually, this is the 1 mark question. What is the Bohr radius? 0.52 angstrom. It is indicate the maximum probability of finding electrons around the nucleus at this distance. In the particular distance la da namakku vandu maximum electron kana possibilities irukku. So that is the probability of finding electron at other distance also. So maximum and the distance mattum kedaiyadhu, then other distance layum we can see the electrons maximum. So the radial distribution functions of 2s, 3s, 3p, 3d orbital of the hydrogen atoms are represent as the following. So now we are going to draw the 2s orbital, 3s orbital, 3p orbital, 3d orbital ku graph draw panna porom. The graph vandu we can find the number of nodes and number of maximas. For the 2s orbital, this is the diagram for the 2s orbital. The density from the nucleus R, that is R, increases. The probability density first increases. This is probability density first increases, then reach small maximum. This is reach small maximum. Small maximum followed by the sharp increases, then it's going to increases, then it's going to increases to another maximum. After that decreases to 0. The region where the probability density functions a radius to the 0 is called a nodal surface. The next 2 mark, the region where this probability density function radius to 0 is called a nodal surface. That means the that is the density of electron is 0. The probability of electron density 0, that is called a node. Nodes ingradhu anga enna irukadhu appadina electrons irukadhu. Okay. So in general, it has been found that ns orbital, n means a principal quantum number, n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. etc. So ns orbital ku nodes calculate பண்றதுக்கு the formula n minus 1. For example, n equal to 1, that is the first one. So n equal to 1 mean apply the formula and then 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So 1s orbital. 1s orbital, there is no node. The another word, the number of radial nodes for 2s is 1. So n equal to 2. The formula n minus 1. So n equal to 2 means 2 minus 1 equal to 1. For 3s orbital, n equal to 3. And then formula n minus 1. So 3 minus 1 equal to 2. The plot of 4 pi r squared psi squared versus r, 3p orbital and the 3d orbital shows a similar pattern, but the number of radial nodes are equal to n minus l minus 1. n is the principal quantum number and then l is the azimuthal quantum numbers. So we can draw how many number of nodes and how many number of maxima. So number of nodes formula n minus l minus 1 and then number of maximas, n minus 1. Maxima means nothing but, maxima means the probability density of electron is maximum. In the peaks வந்து எத்தனை peaks வந்து 2s orbital or 3s orbital க்கு வரும்ங்கறத find out பண்றதா number of maximas. Number of nodes this is node, the probability density of electron is 0. So 0 density na electrons அங்க இருக்காது. So அதான் என்ன சொல்றோம் அப்படினா nodes ன்னு சொல்றோம். Okay, that is the number of nodes. So we are going to calculate the 3s orbital because 2s orbital number of nodes. How many number of nodes? What is the n value? N is the 2, and then what is the L value? L value s orbital is 0, and then apply the formula 2 minus 0 minus 1 equal to 1. So number of nodes is 1. There is the number of node. And then how many maximas? Apply the formula. What is the n value? 2. So 2 minus 1 equal to 1. How many maximas? How many peaks? So only 1 peak. And then next one 3s orbital, and then how many number of nodes? Number of nodes formula n minus L minus 1. What is the n value? Is the 3 minus what is the L value? S orbital L value 0, and then minus 1 equal to 2. That is the 2 nodes, 1 and 2. This is node 1, this is node 2. And then how many maximas? And then n minus 1 formula. N minus 1 means what is the n value? 3. 3 minus 1 equal to 2. So 1 and 2 is the 2 maximas. So that is the maximum probability of finding electron. Then we are going to calculate the 3p and 3d orbital. So 3p and 3d orbital, how many number of nodes? N minus L minus 1. What is the n value? 3p for 3p orbital. 3 minus p orbital. What is the L value? 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 minus 1 0. That is the 3. How many? Sorry, 3 minus 2. So only 1 nodes. How many maximas? N minus 1. 3 minus 1 equal to 2. How many maximas? 1 and 2 maximas. So the next one is angular distribution function. What is angular distribution function? Angular distribution is nothing but the higher or a low probability at various distance from the nucleus. Multiplying this probability by the area available at the distance will give us the radial distribution for the given electron. The variation of the probability locating the electron on the sphere with the nucleus at the center is depending upon the azimuthal quantum numbers of the orbital in which the electron is present. Generally, the shape of orbital is depending upon the azimuthal quantum numbers. For 1s orbital, what is the L value? 0. And then what is the L value? 0 means M value also 0. What is the F theta? 1 by root 2. And then what is the pi value? 1 by root 2 pi. Therefore, the angular distribution function is equal to 1 by 2 root pi. What is angular distribution? That is a multiple of F of theta multiple with G of pi. What is the F theta value? F of theta value 1 by root 2 multiple with what is the G pi value? 1 by root 2 pi. So root 2 2. So 1 by 2 root pi. So the angular distribution function is equal to 1 by 2 root pi. It is depending upon the angular. This is independent of the angular theta and pi. So தீட்டாவையும் phi வேல்யூ டிபெண்ட் பண்ணி கிடையாது ஷேப். So the probability of finding electron is independent the direction from the nucleus. So எல்லா direction ஒரு particular direction கிடையாது. For example வந்து இந்த direction, இந்த direction, இந்த direction, இந்த direction. So electrons வந்து so ஈவனா எல்லா position ஒரு sphericalல ஈவனா distribute ஆயிருக்கு. That's why this is independent of the direction from the nucleus. S orbital is a spherical shape. One more question. What is the shape of S orbital? Spherical shape. So the next one is the shape of orbital. The first one is the S orbital. So S orbital is the, I already told you, spherical shape. Spherical means a circle around the nucleus. Increase in size around the nucleus as the energy level n value increases. As a single orbital found in the each subcell. So only single orbital mattumna S orbital la irukum. Okay. The next one is the shape of p orbital. The p subshell L equal to 1. What is the m value? L equal to 1 means that is the 3m value minus 1, 0, plus 1. It means the p orbital can have the 3 possible orientation. These 3 p orbitals are equal energy, that is the degenerated abdina, and then equal energy. This is without magnetic or electric field. Suppose the presence of magnetic or electric field is not a degenerated. So otherwise the p orbitals are equal energy. So this is degenerated. But the different orientation. P orbital consists 2 lobes is symmetrical. Symmetrical means same about the particular axis depending upon the orientation of the lobes. Lobes is like this is lobe. These are denoted 2px, 2py and 2pz. According as they are symmetrical about the x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. See, this is the 2px. So this is the x-axis. So this is x-axis. So the lobes along the x-axis mean 2px. The lobes along the y-axis mean 2py. This is y-axis. And then the lobes along the z-axis mean 2pz. This is z-axis. So these are denoted the 2px, 2py, 2pz. Accordingly, they are the symmetrical about the x, y and z-axis. The p orbital have the dumbbell shape. One more question. Dumbbells means nama use exercise ku use பண்ற ஒரு instrument. And the instrument பேர் தான் dumbbell. So it's like a dumbbell. So p orbital வந்து என்ன ஷேப்ல இருக்கும் அப்படினா dumbbell shape. Have the directional character. Yes, but s orbital is the non-directional character. S orbitalக்குன்னு ஸ்பெசிஃபிக்கான டைரக்ஷன் கிடையாது. p orbital is the directional character. The probability of finding electrons is equal both lobes. So இங்க ஒரு electrons இருக்கும் and then இங்க ஒரு electrons இருக்கும். So the electron is equal both the lobes. The p orbitals of the higher energy level they have a similar shape, although that the size are bigger. Energy increase ஆகும்போது shape on the similar shape, there is no change in shape, but size it will be increases. The next one is the d orbital, the shape of d orbital. For the d subshell L equal to 2, that is the azimuthal quantum value L equal to 2. What is the m value? M value minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1 and plus 2. That is the 5 value. So that is the, it can have a 5 orientations. These are the represent dxy, dyz, dzx, dx squared minus y squared and dz squared. For the example, 3D xy, 3D yz, 3D zx, 3D x squared minus y squared and 3D z squared. Xy, yz and zx orbitals the same shape, that is the clover leaf shape. So these three orbitals are the same shape, that is the clover leaf shape. Clover leaf na ஒரு tree ஓட leaf, அந்த leaf எப்படி இருக்கும் அப்படின்னா அந்த leaf ஓட shape இந்த மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும். இது 4 divide ஆயிருக்கும். This is called a clover leaf shape, but they are lying on the xy, yz and zx plane respectively. See that the shape of d orbital. These three sets are similar shape. This is the clover leaf shape, but d z squared is the dumbbell with the donut. So the d z squared is the dumbbell with the donut shape. So the d z squared orbital is the symmetrical about the x-axis and has a dumbbell shape with the donut. Dumbbell shape with the donut. The electron cloud in the center, so maximum density center of the axis. Then dx squared minus y squared orbital is also clover leaf shape, but this is along the x and y axis. Yes, see, this is along the axis. Axis mele irukum. These three sets are between the axis. Axis ku between la irukum, but idu along the z axis. So dumbbell with the donut shape. So finally, the shape of f orbital. For f orbital, what is the L value? Is 3. What is the M value? That is the magnetic quantum number -3, -2, -1, 0, +1 and +2. +2, +3. That is the 7 orbital. F z cube, F x z square, F y z square, F x y z, F z x squared minus y squared, Fx x squared minus 3y squared, Fy 3x squared minus y squared. This is completely complicated shape. So இதுக்குன்னு ஸ்பெசிபிக்கான நேம் கிடையாது, இந்த ஷேப்புக்குன்னு நேம் கிடையாது. So that is a complicated shape. So this is the 2 mark question. So only there is a one mark question and also 2 mark question. What are the 7 f orbital is the 2 mark question, and then how many orbitals in the f subshell. How many orbital na? That is a 7 orbitals. The last one, what are the possible questions in this topic? How many radial nodes for 2s, 4p, 5d and 4f orbital exhibit? How many angular nodes? Angular nodes radial node calculate பண்ணனும். How to calculate the angular node and radial node? I already given the formula. So radial node formula n minus L minus 1. Angular node means L value. L value. What is L value? L value is angular node. Then explain the shape of p orbital. This is the 2 mark question or a 3 mark question. Then discuss the shape of d orbital. This is one of the 2 mark question or a 3 mark question. And then finally write a note on the shape of f orbital. This is also 2 mark or a 3 mark question. Thank you, students.